you say you want to walk? Kenisha, help me now, please. Whoa, hey. Kenisha, help me. Come now, why no walk this way? Hold on, boom. Hold on.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a lap, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Alright, so guys, so we just touched down in Miami River. It was raining earlier. As you can see, it was raining earlier, raining in Georgia. Oh. Yeah, Mark, you have scissors? Or a knife?
Can't believe it. Let me show you, brother.
Just pull out. Oh, tough.
Yeah, one can't pull it.
Hello?
Hello?
What charge you there?
Charge?
Yeah.
In the river.
Long River?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cut. Yeah. My there outside when you come for the bed. Yeah, call your father. We take off one first.
Come here, man, going on there.
Come on, sir. 30 grand. The front one first. Eh? Yeah, the front one. To the front one. Come on, sir. Hold on. 30 grand. One hour come on here, sir. No? And I slide it from the front. Boom. Come forward now. Man, we'll bring that one and come back. Move, Brown. Move. Look up. Watch them dog, you know. Evening. Dirty ground, hold on. Other side of the go. Yeah? Well, may I go up here and take it from Dirty ground. They say you want to walk? Can you help me now, please? Hey, Kenisha, help me. Come now, why no walk this? Hold on, boom. Hold on. Leave it up. 30 grand. Tell you already. Tell you 30 grand already now. The wrong way my walk, you know. Boom, you take out the slippers? Kenisha, take that one from 30 grand. No, 30 grand, your birthday drop again. I'll 30 grand make a drop. Come with that one in there. Here, you come across that up. Nana. Charlie, bring out that one that goes straight up. Give it out. Back up and hold that camera. Go on, back up. Why you dropping it? Yeah. Boom, I work with that drop man, you know. Boom, you can't work with that man. No,
people feel better come forward towards me and I say no. Then I stop in there.
Yeah.
You can't slide me and slide away. You say slide me and slide away.
Yeah. Feel it out here, feel it out. There's some good for walk too as well, you know. So the guy don't need no slippers. Evening, so. Mark, at first I cut them side there. Right, me I say.
I boom, you quick.
No. Boom! Ready, quick! boom. You might boom. Boom, I try all him 8 and put him 1 extra. I know the 30 grand is a man who love drop already, you know.
Yeah.
That 30 grand start drop first, you know.
But two of them was up on the same night, so you supposed to balance that.
Oh. And then now the slippers them are wear. That's another problem. Come hold this. Who can hold it for me? Cranberry from my daughter. And my daughter that. I wish I smile with you. I will go far with it. Oh, Gio?
Ready. Up here.
You good?
Yeah.
Come off.
Come back now. What is going on? Just a look fancy.
Cut the ground, hold the camera. Bring up that road now. Sit now, drop again, now, please. I see my drop already.
Yeah, man, the peace, man. Keep them on, yeah, man. We are going, man. Anyway, you have to go cross it, have to go cross it.
Yeah.
Nobody can cross it.
Oh, you have to understand it.
To cross it.
Cross it.
Well, 30 grand. Pinedo could understand it. I used to drop first in a Pinedo.
Yeah.
And then boom, drop after.
Yeah. I know that. Yeah, man, I'm the postman start drop on the bump.
Yeah.
The more time I pull my truck up here.
Drop it and hold on. The light wire. Jay, you good?
You good?
Yeah, man. Alright, for come up here, sir, yeah? You're up? Wala na. Oh, we can't go through? Well, we'll come help you. Rest is left.
No, what about the foot?
But I
Give me. Charge, you know?
Charge.
Come back, so. You come back, so.
Yeah. Yeah. So it have to go in.
Go on.
Move your hand from this.
Move your hand from this.
Move your hand from this. Charge it. Come over here. And
Yeah.
put in one side right first.
Put in one side.
Yeah.
Put in this one. Put in the head first. Put them coming for that. Put in the foot.
You got sure?
Straighten up head.
Let me see something. Can't go forward. Eh? Hold on. You see it now? You can come through here, so back.
Wait no.
Let me figure out this thing. Put that gun there. Okay, pull it now. Turn it. No one try to get a slant there, so. So. Yes, sir.
Turn it up.
Turn it.
Yeah, for real. Now watch it, watch the time. Flip it.
You can't turn from here. No, that works. Come straight up.
Watch your foot on it.
Go on that side over there. Yeah, I'll take it up. Come on, sir. Come.
Still have a problem. Yeah. See this now.
No, it's a volunteer.
Try so they can go so. Still not pass here so. I suppose you can bend go some more.
See?
Still have.
Alright.
Number 30. Yes, sir. Which piece of board is? Yeah, come on.
You know I'm take it out.
So about the back door. Can't wait for the
We go to the back door to come back to this thing. I know, usually we go to the back door too, you know.
Feel to come through from the back?
Yeah, man. The back door more wider.
Another wideness, true.
And the wideness, you know. And it can't go through here, so that now it can go through here, so no. Alright, okay, so. Not a problem. Yes, sir. That's a foot here. Not a problem right there, so. Because you know, this should have gone in.
try the back now. Tamper the post instead of waste energy. I post it first, so we try the back now.
So what that go through the back door?
Wait, where them down go? In the room now?
That's the problem, that's the problem.
Alright, pull it back. I didn't try to carry one. If I want to go through, we're good. Let's see something now. Let's pull it back.
Alright, pull it back.
My back this up.
Yeah. Bring in the mattress then.
I must blow the bulb blow. Then I must blow it blow. My room blow.
Here is the footpath.
You know what make that now going to, you know?
Eh?
Because to the iron that put down here.
And the iron, man.
And the iron.
And the whole
And the whole of that post also. Another iron.
And I go in because they put this shorter.
No, I say another iron is a post right there. So.
You can go through on there.
If you can go through on this, so we're good.
Come in, come in. Can go through on.
Bring it, go up there. Yeah, give them.
Hold on, watch your line. Hold on, watch your line. Tara, stay, don't come.
Yeah, you can come to anywhere.
No, go so that sideways touch it right.
Yeah. Come on, and turn it back so now and carry it low. Wait. Jab down to the camera.
Move that.
Now I'm going to call it boat blow.
Boat blow.
Just turn on.
By the fridge.
So charge, you have to get sun out.
Turn next way. Slanted charges, slanted. Yeah.
So the other one.
Come on, they can't be that bad.
So you know, sir.
They took my stuff, my makeup, they trashed my whole room, and the little ones jumping on my bed
This-
and having their shoes
I forgot to turn so.
for a pillow fight.
Sounds like good old family bonding.
More like the horror movie.
What is our turn? So.
So.
Yeah,
I'm gonna turn it
pretty
so.
awesome.
What this? Oh, this one?
Cannot put on the bed over here, sir. I make the bed
I
over
can't win with you.
Alright, relax.
Sarah, come up for your sister.
So.
Kina, shut up, sister.
Even the little ones.
Tara ready?
Man, being an only child was the
That's why I don't want you to come
Eh?
from my bed.
Where put that?
This over your son, put this over your son.
Put this over there, so.
Yeah.
Okay, so you put it on top of the. Look, when you get up. When you get up.
Zach Ion?
And stop walking on it like with the foot.
Funny. My date's name was Zach Art.
Oh, so sit on the bed.
So, how was Zach Art?
Go get in that one first.
He's kind of arrogant.
Touch the ground. Come to the corner now. Alright. Lift it up. Come through now, Mark. Alright. No. Now, let's rest upon the bed. That's a few minutes. Let's rest upon the bed. That's a minute. Make the space for them. Yes, so, yes, I put over there. So.
Did you know high schoolers put this at school? They weren't ditching kids.
Nana, stop.
Yeah, we just gotta sneak out.
Touch the ground. Just bring over the bed more now. Touch the ground. Bring over the bed more.
I'm trash, just trash. Push.
Yes, limited. Yes, limited.
Jumper, see the other side. I'll wait.
Yes, limited. Eh? It's limited. Because the next one come in and come on top of this.
That was perfect.
Unless.
Right? Did you see her face? She totally didn't see us. Let's get out of here. Yeah, time to party!
Eh? Yeah, what should I take? This is okay.
Only the other one.
Oh, mother,
Bring it in, see. We'll flick it on the top, so.
Hey, can you believe it? They dumped all those little monsters on me. I'm losing my mind.
Charge it, help him bring it through that.
Listening.
Remember, slant it one side.
calm down.
Again, my goal is.
Don't, yeah. Don't do that.
Yeah, maybe come up on the bed, see me.
Watch them peg there. Move out of the way. Move out.
No move, kids.
Peg there.
At the right side, this.
Well, I'm going to say by the right now.
The side of the school and up on the
Screw on, yes.
Another right side.
Arch, why so cheesy?
Another side, huh?
Other side, eh?
No, next side. Cranberry, back on. Watch it.
Move on, man.
Super intense
I wish, pa.
and kinda dangerous. I bet you'd love it.
Oh, I'm school from again.
What top pieces?
Yeah, top piece.
Top pieces,
Can I
yeah.
at least walk you home?
I'm in school there. Like this, yeah?
some little small school.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so.
Yes, sir. I said it on.
Hello, Miss Christie. Hi, Tina. Just look at this. Your sisters.
Fit them in?
Yeah.
We are trying to push a trash can. Also,
Over the end. Over the end.
What I end the
Over
charge.
the end. Put in the end.
Oh, that end there one go in.
we really thought it was genius.
Gone in.
And that's not all.
Okay, you there?
In the end there.
It's glass.
You can still sit down, honey.
Wow. We didn't steal them. We just borrowed them.
So,
Nana,
It's your own little sisters.
when you drop on Cranberry's bed.
How did we not think of that?
See, better for me.
But when you don't drop,
Mrs. Christie, I gotta run.
Say,
Feel
babe.
free to punish them however you want.
What the charge?
The two of them are the same color.
Yes.
oh,
What
you
are
hold them, yeah.
And tell them
Nana,
to come
baby,
with us.
Nah, come on. The plastic bag, come on.
Alright, so basically, you see the railing for them. So the older charge.
I'm here for them, taking them home.
So the railing come.
Well, if there was anyone to take.
See next bed, so.
What do you mean?
Come out of the room.
Yeah.
Why are they supposed to come with the snake?
Yeah. Yeah, well, no, we're gonna need a drill gun anyway. Let me see that. We're not gonna pick it up now. Cause this.
You get the school there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where could they be? Where did those rats run off to?
Are that way, yeah?
No, next.
Next way. Okay, so see the two over there, so. Yeah, see next two right there, so. And, yeah? The screwdriver. Yeah, that's screw for that. But hey, in a small space gets small now. Cause that bed there.
Foot my bed look a bit better.
Yeah. And the ladder now, they'll come. Unless charging, you see? That chest that jar there. It have to come down yourself. Yeah. And that's the space with that bed here. Space with that. You know, we have the chestnut jar for cover. Because we organize, because we come up here tomorrow, come work. So we could go for the chestnut jar. Yeah, we'll go for over there, so. We have that for go for. Yeah? Come charge over for that.
You know, now, so well, for me,
you know, so well.
You know, so I used to make a doctor give me a letter for it. Because it's inheritance, me have to do on it.
A cataract?
Yeah.
Jaja.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, they have got a doctor for you, and we could even do it with the case today.
Alright, we could deal with this and forward back. Organize. Can I manage?
You sure can?
Yeah.
Grab the phone. God. Pinedo. I'm begging you, please guide Pinedo for me. Don't want Pinedo drop anymore. Pinedo, you sure you're Pinedo? Take flip out of your mouth, Pinedo. Boom, take that fan and boom. I don't want Pinedo drop. Pinedo, you want to take off your slippers.
Take what you said that Akeynote?
Mother and father.
Yeah, that yeah. Because we have one. How much so mother? We are by so much just as you
Good workout. Yeah. Pinedo.
You come check her out.
Sorry. Yeah, boss, you can manage. Go Gio? Gio, take off your slippers. Well, take off him slippers for him.
Si vous devez see moi far. You go out fast enough?
Well, I'm thinking you should have hold the bottom, Gio. Hold on, 30 grand. A minute, hold the bottom. You hold the bottom? You good, Gio?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Stay behind. Toko, don't go too close. Toko, wait, give them room. Don't go too close. Leave on one side?
Oh. Hush. Should me hold it on one side? Take off your slippers, Tucky.
Hold on, Tigger. Me a lead.
Yeah.
Alright, we're following your lead. We're following your lead, Tucky. Not sure being at Tutti, you really want to walk there?
No,
walk over here so better. Wait, in there sir?
It's a lean again, brother.
Hold on. Alright, hold on, I'm going to come take it for you. Hold on, I'm going to take it for you. Hold this, Nana, hold this. I'm going to take it there.
I'll go for the sandbag.
Yeah,
I'll keep on the sandbag.
Yeah, so easier? Feel the water. No, go on. Me. Gio, bring that camera there, come. The camera, come with the camera.
Do you want to carry?
Okay, go there, sir. You can manage?
Yeah.
Cool.
We take one balance. Walk here, we yeah.
Alright, update, you know. Hold on. We're helping us. Hold it. Alright, Charles, you call better. You call better. Go on, hold this. Hold this to me.
Hold the camera.
Hold the camera. Okay. Well, I'm gonna make the first step first. Yeah. Next step. Harder. Well, go on.
Yeah, man, go on.
Good?
Watch your wire.
Watch your wire.
I run so we have to go to the back. Yeah. Lift up the wire for me there. Watch your side though. Watch your glimpse, yeah? Good?
Yeah.
One more furlong and you reach 30 grand.
Just one more furlong.
And we reach. Whoops. Press it on the bed, yes sir. Come on, stay on this side. Just stay on this side.
Shit, put it in the glass.
Mommy.
Oh.
Nah, set.
Yeah, Gio. No, I forgot to take over my dad first. Let me move that bucket there. This. There you go.
So if you don't want a heavy kilo, that the man vexing up. The boy vexing up about a circuit.
Let it go and stay here, so?
Yeah,
for the time being.
So
yeah.
don't tear the plastic.
No, please don't tear off the plastic. Tara. Nana? Don't tear off the plastic off the bed. Off the Chester jar.
Here. Don't tear the plastic, you know.
Okay, the place is very, very small. As you can see, the bunk bed and this take up a lot of space. You know? A lot of space, and this is the next bed over here, which is we're going to get rid of this bed also and buy them a bed. You know, but the space is killing it. The space is killing it. Well, anyway, the kids' room this, so
this is the kids' room?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's a TV.
Kids room.
So you sleep up at top bunk? Eh? Oh, you, Nana? So, Nana, I told top bunk, Cranberry, I will bottom bunk. Talk and Tara. You and Nana?
Charge will come tomorrow.
You
from
and
work,
you.
here?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, so when I barge I bring the gun, the drill, to put him back the screw, you know. And Tara start jump already. So I think, I forgot to say how we can utilize that space there. Because you forget, me I wonder if you get you know that bed here,
Oh, don't I shop?
Come, Nana.
and buy a single bed. And if you buy a single bed, you'll have more space.
A single bed like that.
Yeah, it'll be a single bed like that. You understand? So the single bed, and 4 of them. So you don't want 2.
Okay, me I go park.
You see me? So I don't think, if 2 can hold on it like that. Can you see easy if you buy a single bed? You know a single bed could have got another space there over there, so you know.
Come on from the bed.
So
Come on from the bed.
guys, tell me guys what you think, because in here is very small and this, and a good thing we never buy the single double, because you have the single and you have the double. So if you don't buy the single double, you would have not even space to come in here then. You understand? Because I can see how it is now. And a good thing we never buy the metal, because you see the way them they already up and down and everything.
Metal.
The metal that wear out.
We and screw that jump up on.
But at that bed now, trees are big. Cranberry bed that one now. So I don't know where you think, Chargy.
My bed I got bigger and feel one.
No.
Yeah. Pull the bed look up.
So this is the, I'm saying, who come tomorrow we screw up the bed. Put it in my film. So now let's screw them already.
All our space already.
In him, and look at the space all up in here already too. Put down this will come tomorrow.
We can't walk here so get key, no?
Hmm?
We can't go walk here so we have to walk out bed and walk this so.
No one can slide through there, so yeah. Everybody walk past.
All like so.
But
My father and mother could walk the other door.
wow, you have to sleep right now.
No. That I forgot me, Chargy. You have to use. Is it use your door?
And walk.
And boy, I don't know. But you could have worked because a kids' room anyway. You know? Because these places, this are just temporary for the future. Because once I get there, you find a way to extend the place. You know? So you have to go find, you have to go extend. Now you have a couple of years by your hand. You know? But them can go and utilize now because they're young. Right, boom. You know?
Watch out, shoot you go for the
So the only thing now, I have to go buy one bed. I mean, I beg you, please, kids, don't make them tear off the wrapping off of it.
Yeah.
You see me? And yeah, because
them here, you know.
The mother tell them so don't have a plastic.
Yeah.
We now make nobody come find this material.
Because really, I said I never really want to buy them here till one time the day upon the house to opening, but I realize it's going to be too hackling with too much stuff. Plus you have to get the fridge and the stove and them stuff there. Still forget same way. And then food in the bed still forget. So that still get more stuff still need to get.
That's how it is.
You guys say look back small.
Eh?
I'm say come back small.
Yeah.
Find this tonight.
let me see something there, right? Let me see. I wonder if boom. I wonder if we get the under bed here and have to buy another bunk bed. Another bunk bed that it have more space. Cause another bunk bed could have come over here so. And then we could have get that bed here. You know? So the width we'd have to go measure the bunk bed. Measure this from the side there. From this up to this, so probably about yes, so right. Let me see.
Don't go panic. If you go
It still like all this. What is it with the boom? Oh, that there. So basically, this are the width of the bunk bed. Go back boom so you can see what I'm going. So, from here, so from my under here, so this size. So, it have look a bit more walkway here, so. Yeah. So, it's here, so. So that it has that space here. It has that space there.
No.
Yeah, it have look a bit more space to walk through. You understand? They work out better. And then now, you could have get that bed there and get rid of that one because that one is really all low. Unless that would be the plan because I'm saying the width is from actually there to about here, guys, where you see my hand is. So that's what be the bunk bed, the width from there to here. So this would be probably to that day. So at least that trim off that space here more. Enough work space this though.
It don't work.
And so I get one more bunk bed. We have to get one more bunk bed then. And then one could I get this over there so. Like how this is more fairly new because this was buy for them recently.
Yeah. We don't work with it.
No. So they have about this room you can walk through. You know?
So that's why you said that those come out.
Mommy, come look under my bed.
So
Do you think if this could have turned?
no, it never can turn so.
If a two bunk bed come, it could have turned so? Like so? Because we have put back the TV over here so. If the two of them could have hold that side there.
It's not going to hold that side there.
Hold that side
no. Because you see the width of it. If you turn it so, the whole door will black off. Because the length of it.
Yeah, with like the bedding and just something not broad. So.
Yeah. Because it's a single, so you have more single space.
Mommy.
You know?
Mommy.
So I guess another bunk bed. You'd have do it. And then one could have get that bed there. And get out that bed there. You know? I guess that's the only, so now have a little bit more space. The whole way that I see. You understand? So, when you come tomorrow to Barja, we got to do some more measurements and see how best we can get it leaving. Yeah? So we'll come tomorrow then, Ken. Yeah? Charge it. We'll come tomorrow. Yeah. Alright guys, so tell me what you think, you know, because that was the plan. I think we have to get another bunk bed, you know, so I'm going to speak to Winston as well too and see if that's the best thing for them to get a little bit more space, you know, so at least they have more movement because the room was a bit small for all the two of them one time, you know, so let me know, leave a comment in the comment section, tell me your thoughts, leave your thoughts in the comment section and tell me what you think, because remember, you know, working together, so leave your thought in the comment section, you know, and tell me what's best, you know, so I think probably need another bunk bed for the next two. I guess that's going to be the plan, you know, so I'm going to speak to Winston And guys, leave your thoughts in the comment section because they can see. Because we have other stuff to get as well. So we're going to take our time, get them from now. So we get everything out the way. Oh, this is another something, right? Yeah. Oh, come here, I forgot about it.
We remember about that from what you put up that we didn't remember.
I chose to find different father.
Satellite you.
Me a father? Or your father?
Is you.
Me?
Yes.
So what do you say? Orius is your father?
Yes, is my father. Is you.
And Orius?
Then you put it.
And me a father? So she switch again. And me a father?
Yes.
Tell them who your father.
Kina.
And Orius is your father anymore. So we're going to tell Orius when Orius come tomorrow.
You know what I do?
And I got to tell him.
Uncle.
Hey, uncle now, he's crying, guys. Boy, Cranberry. See you tomorrow. See you later, Nana. Tomorrow. Bye bye. Charge it. Tomorrow then. Ken. Yeah. So guys, so tell me what you think. Winston, expect my phone call, please. You know, I'm gonna call you so we can get some idea across and tell me what you think about that idea, you know. So we can get that out the way for the kids them. Oh, what are they again?
Something when me plant around some man.
Oh.
Herb tree.
Okay.
Plant. The first week I'm coming here. First day I'm planting.
Oh. Need it.
In my yard then I go. So from mommy to Frenchtown.
Yeah. From the riverside to the concrete jungle. Yeah? Watch a jackfruit here, rotten out. Sure. You know this? Yeah. Ma, ready? Alright guys, so I'm gonna say that is the procedure. So I think the best thing for us to do is to get another bunk bed. You know, at least for them to get a bit more space in the house. You know. You know, that is this only solution we can do to get more space. So wait up. I'm gonna make a chuck off in our water. You're supposed to have nothing that you can sit down upon. Spread out this. Just that down the corner. Spread out that boom. Try out the water. Yeah. Yo, I thought they're gonna drop while you're dropping now.
No.
Yeah, you start drop first.
No, and I drop you know. I should me feel him, I should do something forward.
No.
Drop make him start a drop, so me start a drop.
Oh, when you know it's a shub, because whenever you're there front, I said I go feel like a shub, but in a shub. Isn't
drag me feel something drag.
Yeah. Because you a drive,
yeah,
and the pressure.
I take my time, to walk as slow as possible as you can.
Don't tell me
to know across the river where I go.
Exactly. I'm gonna say no. Go. Bye bye. Yeah. Go. Tomorrow.
I never get an answer right.
Tomorrow, miss. What give?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.